Are you ready to create a stunning 3D logo in just 2 minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how you can take your brand to the next level with a professional looking 3D logo without any complicated software. First, open Canva and type 3D logo in the search bar. You'll see a variety of pre-designed templates. Browse through them and pick the one that best fits your brand style. Don't worry, these templates are fully customizable. Next, it's time to make it yours. Click on the text to add your brand name and adjust the font to match your brand identity. Then, pick your brand colors. This is what will make your logo unique and instantly recognizable. Canva makes it easy to change colors, resize elements, and even add shapes or icons. Once you're happy with the design, simply hit download and choose the high-quality PNG format. And just like that, you've got a ready-to-use 3D logo in minutes. If you want to go a step further and create an even more realistic 3D effect, here's a quick tip. First, design your logo in Canva as usual and download it as a PNG. Then, upload it to a free online tool like Photopea, where you can apply a 3D mockup template. This transforms your flat logo into a professional 3D design that really pops. Creating a 3D logo doesn't have to take hours or require expensive software. With these quick steps, you can have a polished, eye-catching logo that's ready for social media, websites, or even business cards, all in just 2 minutes. So, grab your Canva account and start designing. Your brand deserves to stand out, and with a 3D logo, it will.